Nog eens relaxed afgeworden hier. This will be the last day in Romania. We are on a campsite in the middle of nowhere. No one else on the campsite. And we're very close to the border of Hungary and near the border of Ukraine. And that's the border of Ukraine. Last night there was an explosion in the direction of Ukraine. If it's because of the war, we don't know. Possible. But look at this. There's nothing. Just fields.
Sticker time! We're back in Slovakia, and of course we need a sticker right here.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, we are.
Yes. Kosice is one of the oldest cities in Slovakia and also has the largest church in the country. In 1924, the first peace marathon was organized. This makes the annual international peace marathon the oldest in Europe and and the second oldest in the world. We unexpectedly ended up on a dirt road. Als je rechtdoor gaat, kan je The road is slippery. It's getting more and more swampy. Paul goes to investigate to see what kind of road it is. Is it wise to continue driving? Or maybe not? He gets stuck in the mud. Kom eraan hoor, maar ik moet hem even goed neerzetten. By pushing and pulling, we can turn the motorcycle. Unfortunately, we don't have it on camera. It was hilarious. Nou, je achterkant. Jij wint vandaag hoor. Ja, volgens mij moeten we rechtsheen. Door op jou.
Er is een glad stukje tussen. Ja, die had ik ook. Ja. Nou, zelf plekje maar weer.
Oeh. Ik hoop dat zo ziet. Leuk hè, om hier te zijn.
Is normaal.
Ja, maar eigenlijk overal waar wij kwamen.
Ja.
Allemaal helpen en vrienden. Wat gaan we doen? Een biertje? Of eerst tentje?
Ja, dat is een biertje.
Ja hè? Oh.
leuk.
Ja, hè?
Sorry.
Nou ja.
Want,
Hartje?
hartjes.
Nog eens relaxed wakker worden hier. Nee. Nee. Niet doen. Nee. 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 Nee.
Gaan we weer. Hoppa. Even maar bij me. Hoppa. Ja, jammer.
Nou weer uit. Nee. Nee. In de boom. Hij zit niet onder de indruk.
Nergens van.
Nee.
Until Paul could tread between the weeds. There, Fred found a frog, and our breakfast is no longer interesting.
Nee. Dat is vrij. Een beetje raar die modderplekjes terug. Zo gereden. Ja. Hier heel vaak treinen rijden.
After Bratislava, we continue our journey. Soon we arrive in Czech Republic.
On the way here. Time for a new sticker. Czech Republic.
If you like this video, please give us a big thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more fun, challenging, no-nonsense videos. See you next episode!